What are these soft, squishy creatures? And why are they banging their heads on the cell walls and making those strange noises? Actually, these are hornet larvae. They make this strange sound when they are hungry, calling the adult hornets to go out hunting and bring them food. Hornet larvae primarily eat protein-rich foods provided by the adult hornets. The adults capture insects like flies, caterpillars, and other small arthropods, chew them into a nutritious pulp, and then feed this to the larvae. This protein-packed diet is crucial for their growth and development into strong adult hornets. In this clip, the hornet nest was removed by humans, and the larvae have not been fed for quite a while. That's why they're all hungry and making strange noises.